This week's top stories. CIBSE to move to new Farringdon HQ. After selling its Balham headquarters in June 2024, CIBSE will move to a new office at 91 to 94 Saffron Hill. CIBSE will occupy the second and third floors, with tenants on the ground and first floors. Pilot version of UK net zero carbon building standard launches. An industry-first net zero standard for the built environment has launched. The standard will be the first agreed methodology for defining net zero carbon for buildings in the UK. EMCOR UK to replace Mitie as BBC's integrated FM provider. EMCOR UK has won a 5-year deal to deliver facilities management services across the BBC's estate. The contract includes business-critical services across more than 100 buildings across the UK and Northern Ireland.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.